Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And yes, finally here guys. I'm so sorry for the delay in content. To be honest at this point, you already probably noticed I'm a very part-time YouTuber when it comes to tech. But I did want to just share, my my thoughts of finally having this in my hands, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium. There is the name, Desert Titanium 512. Amazing. And I'm going to set up this bad boy in a moment. But, I just wanted to let you guys know, I almost didn't buy this phone. I almost did not. I was going to stick with my iPhone 15 Pro Max for another year. And I think this is the first time I've been a little bit just not super enthused to upgrade every year. But I am very excited about these tiny bezels and this 6.9 inch display. That's the one main reason why. And the camera features, of course. I don't do as much content as I used to, guys, as you already know, but I do think it still is an amazing phone. And all the reviews I've seen, it is half-baked. Apple Intelligence is still on the way. There's a lot of things that still need to be done with this. But I'm definitely excited to make this my daily driver. And I will be sharing more about this phone tomorrow once I've had a little bit more time, once I've set it up. Stay tuned for that, guys. I do appreciate the support. That's it for this quick one. But you know what? Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up together. Here we go. Yes, it's an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing here in a while. Lifting the lid. Yeah, there we go. And look at that. And who knew that Desert Titanium is basically another terminology for gold? It's basically gold. Yeah, that's basically gold. Apple, you crazy guys. Desert Titanium. This is just the gold phone. This is the gold iPhone in titanium. And it is stunning, though. It is beautiful. Let's lift the screen protector. There we go. Beautiful. And let's turn this bad boy on. In terms of design, look, it's the same deal. It's the same deal. I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This doesn't feel any different. It feels a little bit wider, but in terms of size, it really feels very similar. I know they're a little bit taller. There you can see the camera layout. That's kind of new. Don't remember that being that way. But look at those bezels. That is sick. That is sick. They've done a really good job with the bezels this year. And you can definitely feel the massive display in your hands. 6.9 inch. That's really the reason why I upgraded, guys. But anyway, stay tuned for my full kind of initial impressions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I will be backing up now and using it as my daily driver starting tomorrow. It's been a while, guys. I do appreciate the support, though. And yes, I know, it's an iPhone. Where are all the Android phones? I do have some exciting phones coming up, hopefully soon, and I will be sharing those with you guys here on the channel when I get that chance. But anyways, regardless of whether you're watching Frankie Tech now or if you stopped watching, it's okay. I've been very inconsistent. I appreciate all the support, guys. We built an amazing channel together. I loved you all. I really do love you all still. And I just want to say thank you for all the support. You made my dreams come true. You gave me this, my beautiful silver play button, which I haven't put back on my wall yet. And you guys made a lot of amazing things happen for me. Different eras in your life. And you ultimately get into things. You get into watches. Now I'm into fitness. I'm into a lot of different things. But I still do love my great new tech products, and this one is no different. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, here on Frankie Tech. And that's it for this one. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon for future updates. All right, guys. Well, I will see you tomorrow with my kind of follow-up video to this one. Let's see what the first 24 hours experience is like with this bad boy. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. It's gold. Apple, it's freaking gold. Desert titanium.